This time, we will discuss in detail and in depth about one of the most eagerly awaited SUVs in 2025, namely the Isuzu MU-X Hybrid. For the exterior design, the Isuzu MU-X Hybrid 2025 comes with a more dashing and modern appearance. A larger front grille, stylish LED headlights, an elegant front bumper, and an attractive rear design with elongated LED taillights and a more elegant rear bumper. This sporty and modern exterior design displays an extraordinary macho impression. Meanwhile, the interior design of the Isuzu MU-X Hybrid has undergone significant changes with a premium audio system, 10.1-inch infotainment screen, and leather seats with electric settings. The cabin is designed to provide maximum comfort with a touch of luxury and advanced technology. In terms of performance, the Isuzu MU-X Hybrid offers acceleration from 0-100 km/h in 9.5 seconds, with economical fuel consumption, namely 14.5 km/L for city trips and 18.5 km/L for out-of-town travel. Available in a choice of manual and automatic transmissions, as well as 4x2 and 4x4 wheel drive options. Entering the Isuzu safety features section is no joke. The Isuzu MU-X Hybrid is equipped with advanced safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, emergency braking collision warning, lane keeping assist blind spot monitoring, and traffic alert. It's really extraordinary. Talking about price and availability, of course, the price for the 2025 Isuzu MU-X Hybrid in Indonesia starts at $33,517 United States dollars. This makes the MU-X Hybrid an affordable choice with competitive features in its class. We will continue to dive deeper into other interesting features of the 2025 Isuzu MU-X Hybrid. So stay with us at MU Cars to find out more about the SUV that is ready to change your view of powerful and economical 4WD vehicles. Go deeper in the technology and entertainment section. The 2025 Isuzu MU-X Hybrid not only excels in design and performance, but also in technology and entertainment. With the latest infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, drivers and passengers can enjoy the journey with unlimited entertainment. An advanced navigation system and 360-degree camera make it easy to drive and park in confined spaces. While driving experience, the driving experience with the MU-X Hybrid is truly extraordinary. The upgraded suspension provides maximum comfort even when traversing uneven terrain. The advanced four-wheel drive system allows the MU-X Hybrid to conquer a variety of terrains, from city streets to off-road adventures. The Isuzu MU-X Hybrid 2025 is the perfect combination of power, comfort, and efficiency. With an attractive design, complete safety and entertainment features, as well as strong hybrid engine performance, the MU-X Hybrid is ready to become the main choice for SUV lovers around the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting automotive content. Thank you.